Dear viewers, Assalamu alaikum. This is Mizan Rahman from Bangladesh. Here I am for a project, India-Bangladesh Telecollaboration project. Today is our 12th session. I'm waiting for my fellow teachers, my partner from India, Indian Maharashtra, Sunil Farsaram More. I think Sunil will join in time, and I hope you guys will enjoy the session. Let me give the opportunity to Sunil to share his screen. I'm waiting for Sunil. Let me write a message to Sunil. I think Sunil will join. Okay. Please join. You guys, you can see here, I have written a message to Sunil to join. I think he will join in time. Let me check whether my live is working or not. Yes, my live is working properly. Okay, my live is working properly. And our today's session is 12th session, SDG goal number 5, gender equity. It's about 90 minutes, 45 minutes for each for India and Bangladesh teacher. And the first point is about social media, and the second point is about gender equity. I'm waiting for Sunil. Hopefully Sunil will join. Let me check whether Sunil seen my message or not. Okay, Sunil have not seen my message yet. Okay, Sunil, please join. I have to wait, dear guys. Don't be bored. Hopefully you will join the session. Three minutes 22 seconds is going, but Sunil not yet joined. What happens to you? Good evening. Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir. Good evening.
Namaste. Namaste, sir.
Namaste, namaste. Salam alaikum, sir.
वालेकुम सलाम. आप कैसी है?
I am fine, sir. हम अच्छे हैं.
क्या हम भी अच्छी है. Okay,
Yes.
let's start our session.
Yes.
You know, our today's session is about 12th session. Can you give me permission to share my screen?
Yes, sir. Yes. Please continue.
Okay, thank you. Our today's topic is SDG goal number 5 and gender equity. And you know, our first point is social media. What social media apps do we use? And what's our favorite app? And the second point is about gender equation. Let me go through my presentation.
Yes.
Okay, I'd like to go through my presentation. Can you see my screen clearly, sir?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. And I think you can hear me clearly.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, then as you see here in my screen, there is session number 12 and SDG goal number 5, gender equity. This is the topic of our today's topics, and this is international experience, you know. And we, India and Bangladesh, are collaborating this project. And no need to tell you about me because we are very familiar.
Yes.
But I'd like to show the information for my viewers who are viewing our live from our group. Okay, now session 12, gender equity. Social media and about gender equity. In the first slide, I'd like to show you. I use some social media apps.
Yes.
Okay. And these are some I have made a list. Then number 1, Facebook. Number 2,
Yes.
WhatsApp. Number 3, Twitter, Imo, Messenger, Skype, Duo,
Yes.
Zoom, email, Alaf. Alaf is a BTCL product in our country.
Yes.
This is a government app. And
Yes.
YouTube, Google Meet, Google Classroom, Google Forms, Microsoft Team, Microsoft Outlook, TeamViewer, and AnyDex. And so many apps I use for my professional needs.
Yes.
Okay. And my favorite apps. You can see here the mobile screen. The sound is coming from each side. I use many apps to facilitate my work. And I use Facebook, Messenger, email, WhatsApp, Google Meet, Studio OBS, apps to do my official work properly.
Yes.
And I make communication with colleges, family, and relatives. Apps have increased the speed of our communication and work. Currently, we can't do any work well without these apps. So these are my favorite apps: Facebook, WhatsApp, Google Meet, OBS Studio. You know, I use OBS Studio to live into the Facebook or YouTube.
Yes.
And now I would like to say something about the F. What is the definition of F? You can see an F is a software program running on any platform. The word F is an abbreviation. I have some mistake here. from there will be a full stop. The word app is an abbreviation for application.
Yes.
It's a piece of software that comes pre-installed on your device, or it's software that you install yourself. Sometimes it may be pre-installed and sometimes you have to install by your own. Apps
Yes.
typically run locally on your device but can also run through a web browser. It can also run through a web browser.
Yes.
Then let me display it. And how does an Android app work? By default, every app runs in its own Linux process. The Android system starts the process when any of the app's components need to be executed, and then shut down the process when it's no longer needed or when the system must recover memory for other apps. This is the process, or this is the procedure. How does an Android app work? Can you see my screen clearly, sir?
Sir, very clear. Sir.
Okay, thank you. Now I'd like to say you why mobile apps are important.
Yes.
A mobile app can also important your customer service. Apart from increasing your product sales and business visibility, an app ensures the same presentation of products and services every time user access it. Customers can go through the same interface no matter which phase they access. So mobile app is very important. I think not only commercial service, in our educational system, mobile apps are very much important. As we use Google Meet, Google Classroom to take classes and to communicate with our students and to assess our students, we use Google Chrome and Schoology.
These apps are very useful. Yes.
Yes.
Within Corona period, these apps are very important.
Yes.
With of this app, we can teach our student online.
Yes, sir. And why social media apps so popular? Now I'd like to say something about social media. Popular social networking sites are built in such a way that they are very much user friendly. Most sites are so easy to navigate that they require very less knowledge of the internet. In fact, they offer a better way of connecting with new people than other internet channels like bulletin boards and emails. So, social media apps are so popular among the people.
Yes.
The top social media sites we need to care about nowadays in 2020. You can see here Instagram, the home of influencers, brands, bloggers, small business owners, friends, and everyone in between. Instagram has topped well over 1 billion monthly users.
Yes.
And then YouTube. It's very important. Then we are sharing our session in YouTube so that we can share the link with the authority, and we can make some extra money if we make some documentary or some subject topic. Then if we publish in the YouTube, if the viewers view it and the AdSense, if the AdSense will join it, then we can earn some extra money. So YouTube is also very need to care. Then Facebook, we are using Facebook. Twitter, though Twitter is not very popular in our Bangladesh. Then TikTok, it's a it's also an interesting media to make funny video or short video, and to give some message to its viewers. Then Pinterest, this is also a social media. Then Snapchat, this is also a social media. But I don't use TikTok, Pinterest, and Snapchat. I don't use this media. I only use Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, Twitter.
TikTok app is banned in India. Is of China.
Yes. Then why Facebook a popular social media platform? I'd like to say you, Facebook is at the top of the social media game as its platform caters to a wide variety of people, incorporating many different media aspects, from photos to messengers to text. It is not as limited as LinkedIn and Twitter, which typically cater to specific demographic. Where LinkedIn and Twitter is very limited, but Facebook is very widely ranged, and every common people can use Facebook, and it's graphically user interface, I think. So user can easily use Facebook. So Facebook is very popular.
Easy to use, sir. So it is
Yes,
large.
it's easy to use. Easy to use. Yes. Thank you. Then how you know when you addicted to social media? Sometimes we may addicted to social media, and we can see our children, and in this pandemic period, our kids are supposed to addicted to mobile phone and games. So sometimes
Yes.
we used to addicted to social media or games. When do you know? Just signs of social media addiction. The first things you do in the morning is check social media. I think if you in the morning, if you check social media, this is the sign of addiction. If you check social media during the work day, this is the symbol of addiction. If you are anxious when you can't check your social media, this is the sign of addiction. And when you are constantly checking how your post perform, this is also symbol of addiction, I think. And you spend a lot of time overthinking and planning your post in the social media like Facebook. This is the symbol of addiction. This is my thinking, whether it's true or false, because I am the real example of this. Because in pandemic situation, when I was free in my home, when school were closed, then I used to do this type of activities. So I was addicted. So I wrote these sentences. Okay, 6 ways to be rid of social media addiction, and I have written this: turn off notification.
Yes.
In order to get rid of from this addiction, we should turn off our notification, because notification can give us chance to keep silent or not to look at the social media. Whenever a notification comes, we go to the mobile and touch here and there what is coming. Okay.
Yes.
Then don't have your phone by your wrist while you sleep. I think while we go to sleep, we shouldn't keep our phone beside us. We should keep the phone far from us. This is the second point. And remove your phone from your morning routine. I think we should remove our phone from our morning routine, and place less weight on your personal social media preference, and for analog alternatives, and then digital detox. Besides, we can use analog alternatives.
Yes.
Then, what are the advantages of social media? Now, there are so many advantages of social media. Though there are some drawbacks, and sometimes we may addicted to the social media, but though it has a lot of advantages. You can see reach large audience by by social media. If social media are not available, how can we reach our students in this pandemic situation? This is the advantages. Okay, and direct connection with our audience and create organic content, access to paid advertising service, and build our brand and drive traffic to our websites, evaluate our performance, help bloggers, entertaining, education, opportunities for monetization. That means by using social media, if we utilize this media properly, if we made some content, so then we can get opportunities to monetize our page or to monetize our channel. So these are the advantages. And here I have written some disadvantages also. This is unreliable. These are the advantages. And time consuming, vacations are inconvenient, hard to attract followers, then constant change, dangerous for health and mind, and addiction. The last one is addiction. These are the disadvantages of social media. So we should follow the ethic. And how social media improve human communication. I'd like to say you how social media improve human communication. In basic communication, humans transmit information and receive instant feedback. In effect, these temporary messages take away the ability to dwell and create a more real-time form of communication. Social media has created a way for people to constantly update and share content with their friends with little effort. Are you agree with me?
Yes, sir. Yes. Same.
Yes. Now let me show you how social media changed the way we communicate. That means how social media changed our communication system. Social media created a sense of urgency and a need to share. And social media provided an inside perspective of faraway places. And social media shared the full story instead of just highlights. And social media made digital messages more personal. And social media brought news back into millennial file. And social media provided the ability to broadcast moments. This is the most important opportunities to to broadcast our moments. What we are doing like this. We are taking a session, we are running a session, but we are broadcasting this session into the Facebook so that our viewers can visit our group and they can see what we are doing. This is an opportunity. And this is the end of my first slide. And I would like to request you to share your screen.
Very nice presentation created by you, sir. First, I will say congratulate you for creating such nice presentation.
Thank you.
And thanks for giving me a permission to share my screen. Can you see my screen, sir?
Yes, very clear.
Yes. Welcome back, sir, for 12th session, SDG number 5th, gender equality.
Yes.
What is social media? What is social networking?
Yes.
Social networking means creating a public profile within a particular website and making relationship between other people who are using the same website. Even though social networking can be useful if used within private, the disadvantages. You have already shown me, and I have also showed you some social media apps on the screen.
Yes.
I would like to give only short information about YouTube social media app.
Yes.
YouTube is American online video sharing and social media platform launched by Steve Chen, Todd Hurley, and Jude Karim is
Yes,
kept
yes.
in February
Correct,
2000.
correct.
Around the world, its users watch more than 1 billion hours of videos each day. YouTube content creators, popularly referred to as YouTubers,
YouTubers,
upload
yes.
hours of content per minute. Means this app
Right.
is very popular in the whole world.
Yes, right.
Yes, next app you can use Zoom app, Zoom video communication app.
Yes, yes. We are
App
using
is
this.
an communication technology company headquartered in San Jose, California. It provides video telephony and online chat services through a cloud-based peer-to-peer software platform, and it's used for teleconferencing, telecommunicating, distance education, and social relations.
Yes,
We
yes.
have already going through this app, and our meeting is also continue on this app. Next
Yes, yes.
app, WhatsApp. WhatsApp Messenger, or simply WhatsApp, is an American freeware cross-platform centralized messaging and voice over IP
Yes, yes.
service owned by Facebook. It allows users to send text messages and voice messages, make voice and video calls, and
Good one.
share images, documents, user locations, and other content. This
Wow.
app is very popular in the world.
Yes.
Next app is Facebook.
Facebook. Yes.
Facebook is in an American online social media and social networking service owned by Facebook.
Yes, yes.
Users can also communicate directly with each other with Facebook Messenger, join common interest groups, and receive notification on the activities of their Facebook friends and pages they follow.
Yes, yes.
These are the social media apps icons,
Yes, yes.
advantages and disadvantages of social media.
Yes, yes.
First, I would like to share my information about advantages. I have taken this information from Google. It's one of the main ways of world works today.
Yes, yes. Of course.
Usually is free, and it is always low cost.
No cost. Right, right.
Allows users to make and keep connections and contacts.
Right.
It communication between people who would have otherwise lost contact. It allows user to share information, photos, videos, etc.
Right.
It allows user to express themselves. Now
Right.
I would like to share disadvantages of social media.
Yes.
First, disadvantages of it. Many people put too much personal information on their profiles, and
Right.
it is very dangerous.
Right. Right. Right.
If second disadvantages, it can be dangerous if it is misused.
Yes. Yes. Right.
Third disadvantages, the website often has ownership over everything the user posts. Means
Yes.
we are not the owner. The website.
Yes. 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 Right.
Yes. Next disadvantages, websites are not completely secure.
Right. Right. Right.
It can become another outlet for
Harassment and bullying, cyberbullying. Yes.
harassment and bullying, cyber bullying. We have already know about all these things.
Yes. Yes.
Next
Right.
disadvantages of social media is that it can waste up when it is used excessively.
Yes. Yes. Right. You think very deeply. I only think surface things. So you collect vast data. Nice.
No, you are very important information given. Both informations are different but very useful for each other.
Yes. Yes. Thank
Now,
you.
if you have permission, I will
Yes, yes.
continue the second.
Yes. Yes. You continue. Yes. Yes. You continue. You continue, sir.
Objectives of gender equity. First objective, promoting equal opportunity between male and female in the society.
Yes.
Second objective, in inheriting
Inheriting.
the central property.
Yes.
Third objective, in providing educational and job opportunities.
Right.
Fourth objective, in sharing the responsibilities to uplift the society.
Right.
Objective, in decision making of government policies by governing body.
Right.
Next objective, facilitating improved equality of operations and analytical work for women,
Right.
suggesting how gender equality helps sustainable development and the implementation.
Right. Yes.
You can see the gender equality. 1 in 3 women have experienced some form of physical or sexual violence in their
Lifetime.
lifetimes. Yes, these are the percentage. For gender equity, there are 5 goals in India. Goal 5 aims eliminate all forms of discrimination and violence against women in the public and private spheres and to undertake reform to give women equal rights to economic
Resources and access to ownership of property. Yes. Right.
resources and access to ownership of property.
Right.
Parity at the primary education level and is on track to achieve parity at all education levels as of June 2019.
Yes.
The proportion of in the Lok Sabha held by women had only reached 11%, but 46% in the Panchayati Raj is a challenge of violence against women. As an example, baseline study revealed that in New Delhi, 90% of women had experienced some form of sexual violence in public spaces during their lifetime.
Lifetime.
In
Yes.
2015, close to a third of total crimes reported against women in India was cruelty or physical violence by her husband
Or his relative. Yes.
or
This is the
his
this is the
relative.
common sin. This is the common sin of our Bangladesh also.
Yes, yes. The
Yes.
government of India has identified ending violence against women as a key national priority, which resonates with the Sustainable Development Targets of United Nations on gender equality.
Yes.
I would like to share here first steps for gender equality. Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao. This is the scheme launched by Indian government for the girls who are not
Beti-
taking
Beti means-
education.
Beti means
Beti
woman. Woman.
Beti means girl. Bachao
Girl.
means save.
Yes. Yes.
Save
Beti-
girls. Them.
Yes,
The
yes.
objective initiatives are prevention of gender-based sex selective elimination.
Yes.
Next objective, ensuring survival and protection of the girl child. And the last objective, ensuring education and participation of the girl child.
Yes. Right.
Then the next scheme launched by Indian government for the girl, Sukanya Samruddhi Yojana. Now I would like to show the features of that Yojana. Sukanya. Sukanya means girl.
Girl.
Sukanya
Yes.
means
Yes.
a daughter. Daughter. The feature of that scheme is that attractive interest rate of 7.6%. That is fully exempt from tax under section 80C.
Yes.
Minimum rupees 1,000 can be invested in one financial year.
Yes.
If any person have a daughter, means he can open account for that daughter and every year he can put 1,000 years in that account.
Yes.
Maximum investment of rupees 1,500,000 can be made in one financial year. Means
Yes.
minimum 1,000 rupees and maximum
Maximum
1,50,000.
1,50,000.
Yes.
Yes.
In the minimum amount of rupees 1,000 is not deposited in any financial year, a penalty of rupees 50 will be charged. If some reason anyone can not deposited, then for that 50 rupees penalty charge.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Is deposits in an account can be made till completion of 14 years. Means
Yeah.
every year for the 14 years we have to fill 1,000
Yes. Yes. Yes.
rupees every year. From the date of on completion of 20 years from the date of opening of the account, means we cannot take money from before 20 years, 21 years of that account.
Yeah.
Provided that whether the marriage of the account holder takes place before completion of such period of 21 years. The operation of the account shall not be permitted beyond the date of marriage.
Yes.
Will be issued to customers.
Yes.
Withdrawal facility to meet the financial requirements of the account holder for the purpose of higher education and marriage. Means
Yes.
you can take the money for higher education and marriage for the daughter. Account holder can avail partial withdrawal facility after attaining 18 years
18
of
years.
age.
Okay. Yes. Yes.
Yes. The beneficiary is married before maturity of account has to be closed.
Account has to be closed.
Yes.
Yes.
Now I would like to tell the eligibility for the Sukanya Yojana.
Eligibility for Sukanna Yojana.
Yes, Sukanya plan. The account can be opened by the natural or legal guardian for a girl child of age below 10 years. This
Yes.
is the
Yes.
first
Yeah.
priority or eligibility for that scheme.
Yes.
Then the second eligibility, a depositor can open and operate only one account in the name of a girl child under the scheme rules. Means
Yes.
only one. Yes.
Yes.
Then the next eligibility, natural or legal guardian of a girl child are allowed to open the account for two children only.
Only. Yes.
Means that person has two girls, he or she can be open.
Yes.
This is the photograph of my daughter. I
Anaya.
have opened, yes, Anaya, I have opened Sukanya Yojana in 2000
2012. Yes.
yes, of my daughter Anaya More. Means she was born in 2012. From that, I have opened her account
Yes.
and I have a passbook. Means I have to fill from first year to her age of 14 years.
Yes. 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 Great. You have a great job.
And after that, 21 years, then she will be 21 year. I will take the money for her education or for her marriage. This is the Sukanya Yojana. Yes. Thank you,
Yes.
sir.
Wow.
Many schemes by government, but I have only shared two schemes in detail.
Okay.
So
Okay.
I thank you for sir giving me a chance to share my screen. Now please share your experiences in the second part.
Yes. Yes. Thank you. Thank you to giving me chance again. I'd like to share my screen once again.
Yes.
And here I am. You can see. Okay. Gender equity. Sorry, gender
Yes.
equality. I have a mistake. This will be gender equality. Gender equality. Okay. Let me show again. Okay. As a development process, development process, you can see here what is the objective of gender and development. Gender and development, GAD, it seeks
Yes,
to
sir.
equalize the status and condition of and relation between women and men by influencing the process and output of policy making, planning,
Yes.
budgeting, implementation, and monitoring the and evaluation so that they would deliberately addresses the gender issue and concerns affecting. These are the objectives of gender and development. And what is needed for gender equality? I have written
sir.
here 12 steps to achieve gender equality in our lifetimes. Look here, talk to women and girls. Let girls use mobile phones. Stop child marriage and sexual harassment. Make education gender sensitive. I think it
Yes.
needs equity.
Yes.
Raise aspirations of girls and their parents. Empower mothers. This is very important, I think. Empowers mothers. Give proper value to women's work. Get women into power. Encourage women into non-traditional vocations. Then we should work together and we should
Yes.
stop the violence and be aware of backlash. We should be
Yes.
aware of backlash. These are the 12 steps to achieve gender equality.
Yes.
And what is the principle of gender equality? What is the principle? I have written something I have collected from internet. UNICEF says gender equality means that women and men and girls and boys enjoy the same rights, resources, opportunities, and protections. It doesn't require that girls and boys or women or men be the same or that they be treated exactly alike.
Yes.
And why gender equality important in education? Gender equality is very important at nowadays. It's because women have to deserve and equal things as same as the men. Women are ought in to receive the good education. Not only men who must be educated, but also the women are ought it to receive it. So gender equality is important in education. And what is the target of gender equality? The targets and all form of discrimination against all women and girls everywhere, eliminate all forms of violence against all women and girls in the public and private spheres, including trafficking and sexual and other types of exploitation. This is the target of gender equality. You can see here. And what is the main goal of gender equality? Gender equality is achieved when women, men, girls, and boys have equal rights, conditions, and opportunities, and the power of shape their own lives and contribute to the development of society. It is a matter of equitable distribution of power. I think this is the main thing. Equitable distribution of power. Power should be equally distributed amongst men and women.
Yes, sir.
And influence and resources in society. indicators. Some indicators on gender equality we can measure now. UNICEF Task Force on Indicators of Gender Equality, compiling gender equality indicators for the UNICEF region. Starting point, minimum set of gender indicators being compiled by UN Advisory Group of Gender Statistics Database and Indicators. Set of indicators will be fairly small. Then hierarchy of headline and supporting indicators. Outline the selection criteria being used. Named and domains on which the task force is focusing. Beyond numbers which are changing too slowly and no quick fixes, fundamental social values and identities and experiences. These are the indicators. Then current status of gender gap index. You can see here, gender gaps index, Bangladesh is top in South Asia. In Bangladesh is top in South Asia. Bangladesh position 47 in 2007 and position 2018 48. And Maldives, you can see here the information of gender gap. No need to read, I think you can see. And what are the gender role in Bangladesh? According to Human Development Index 2011, 58.7% of women participate in the labor force compared to 82.5% of men. You can see here where 85% are there, 82% men. Female participation is also concentrated in lower level jobs and wages are about half of the male wage rate. You know, in our rural area, women are ill-fed. When a male labor got 500 rupee, then a woman labor got only gets only 250 rupee, 0.5% of their salary. This is
same position.
Yes. And what is the ratio of male and female in Bangladesh? You can see here demographic of Bangladesh, 15 to 64 years for 67.61% in 2019 and 65 and over 5.18% 2019 state, and sex ratio total 0.97 males and females. You can see the information. What are the effect of female inequality in Bangladesh? Gender inequality increase maternal mortality 92%, increase fertility 88% is, increase dowry 88%, and domestic violence 89%, and social norms and values restricted women to participate in development activities. These are the effect of inequality of male and female in Bangladesh. These are the problem. And what can be your contribution to achieve gender equality in Bangladesh? What is my contribution?
Yes.
Engaging women in family and community level economic activities. I always encourage my wife and my sister to do something to stand by herself.
Yes.
And I inspire them that you are not a woman, you are human being, not woman, not man, not woman. We are all human being. We are the creature of Almighty.
We should start from our home.
Yes. Then improve access to social services, partnership with institutions of influence, and fraternal awareness building of importance of education, reducing economic and cultural barriers to female education. These are my contribution. What are the steps taken by the government to ensure gender equality? equality. 12 steps to achieve gender equality in our lifetimes. I would like to tell you, talk to women and girls. Let's girls use mobile phones. I have written it before the slide. Stop child marriage and sexual harassment. We should stop and we should check. This is the high time to check the child marriage and sexual harassment and make
Yes.
education gender sensitive. This is the high time to make education gender sensitive and raise aspirations of girls and their parents and empower men of mothers and give proper value to women's work. We should give proper value and get women into power. And what can be done to solve and promote the gender equality in Bangladesh? I think engaging women in family and economic level, community level economic activities, improved access to social services, partnership with institutions of influence, paternal levels, building on importance of, these are the same things before I have written. Then what are the major fields of gender discrimination in our country? Look here, legal status, health, education, employment, political participation, inequality and violence against women. These are the major fields of gender discrimination in our country. And Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina commitment gender equality and women empowerment. Our Honorable Prime Minister, the daughter of father of the nation, Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman, we called her mother of humanity. The father of nation, Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman, started the process of uplifting the women status by establishing equal rights of women with men in all spheres of the state and of people, public life as constitutional obligation under Article 28. This is the article of our constitution. The government of Honorable Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina has undertaken various steps to ensure women and children development in Bangladesh. Through her Vision 2021, you know, our say Vision 2021 and 2041 of momentum has been created for taking forward Bangladesh to middle and high income level respectively.
Yes.
You know, in this field, India is always helping us. Your nation, India is always helping us.
We are the family members, sir.
Yes. Then, through her, for Bangladesh to income level respect. The 7th 5-year plan 2016 to 2020 of Bangladesh government considers women engagement in political and economic activities as a cross-cutting issue and one of the main drivers of transformation. You know, in our country, girls are very fast nowadays, and they are working every sector in our government, every sector in our industrial level, and every in milk factory, and they are flying plane also. They are driving train also. They are in the police forces. They are in the armed forces. They are in the navy forces. Everywhere our women are working nowadays. And present government is committed to attaining the sustainable development goals, SDG of gender equality and empowering women, as well as implementing the convention of the elimination of all forms of discrimination against women. You can see. And the Beijing platform for action. Bangladesh has already sustainably achieved the Millennium Development Goal C, MDG. This is Millennium Development Goal, as it has achieved gender parity in primary and secondary education at the national level, among other success of the MDGs. MDG 3 is the participation in primary and secondary education. Bangladesh has been working restlessly to ensure women's overall development by ensuring their equal and active participation in the mainstream socio-economic activities and removing the various impediments of their empowerment.
Yes, sir.
And Bangladesh Women's Foundation, you can see here, Bangladesh Women Foundation BWF is a representation of the efforts of rural women's organizations working throughout Bangladesh. In generally hostile conditions, women try to promote gender equality, women's leadership, women's human rights, and combating of violence against women and children. World Vision Bangladesh of response to gender equity.
Yes.
Goal: the reduce gender gaps and promote gender equality, enabling women to experience their full range of rights and freedoms. To achieve these objectives, World Vision Bangladesh Gender seeks to pursue its goal and aspiration through 3 intervention strategies.
Yes.
And decreasing the level of violence against women and nurturing its victims. Number 1, awareness building and education to communities and families. Number 2, male and female focused advocacy efforts. Number 3, network building with influential community, faith-based and educational leaders. Number 4, support for avenues to justice. And number 5, partnering to reduce trafficking in women.
Yes.
Trafficking in our country, trafficking is another greatest problem. In a few years ago, our women were trafficking in the Middle East. So this is a great crime of our country. Now I'd like to something about reducing discrimination and ensuring equal access to services. Engaging women in family and community level economic activities, improve access to social service, and partnership with institution and influence. I think I have showed it you in my previous slides. So I think no need to read this. I just want to read the second part of my slide, fostering equality decision making. First of all, advocating for a balanced male-female role in family and community. Then second, facilitating women's control over resources. Then third, awareness building on educational benefits and effects of early marriages. And number 4, growing capacity of gender forces community groups.
Yes.
And this is the end of my slide. And I think our viewers have enjoyed a nice session. Now, if you give me permission, I'd like to say, I'd like to see you one thing only. If you have 1 or 2 minute time.
Yes.
Look here. This is the first point of our today's topic. I'd like to show you here. Okay. I think my PowerPoint is okay. Let me show. Okay. Just look here. I have opened my browser. Here I just open Google. You can see here Google and how we use Classroom, Google Classroom in our schools. I would like to show you. Look here. I'm going to Google Classroom here. This is Google Classroom. Can you see?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes. I would like to show you here. My classrooms are here. You can see class 11 and grade 10. I'd like to show you class 11. Okay. Here you can see the notices. STEAM means notices. I have written for my students. You can see here the notices. Then I have given them classwork. You can see here the classwork. You can see here a lot of classwork. These are the questions. These are the multiple questions, and these are also multiple. These are the creative questions. You can see here. I'd like to show you. This is creative questions. I have written here, and this is a from Google prompt. I'd like to show you here the prompt. The prompt is opening. Look here. I have written the STEAM and the description. Write your name, write your roll number, write your email address, then mobile number. Then he should. I think they should write. They should click next. Let me write something too. Let me write something. Let me show you roll number. This is my name. Then look here. I can now click on next. Then I have got the question. Look at that. There is the question. Question number 1. Read the see the STEAM, see the picture and answer the question. Question number 1, what is network topology? Question number 2, write the uses of bus topology. Question number 3, how does network give and take? And question number 4, by this way we have made our question for our students, and we share with them, and they just gave the answer by their mobile phone, and we just assess them and reply them. Okay, you can see here my Google Classroom we uses in our schools. So I think no need to share with you. And these are the end of my session. If you have anything, you can say me.
Sir, it is this Google question paper is very useful because no need to paper, no need to student. We can share online, and at our home we can check.
Yes, right.
The test.
Yes,
sir.
Yes, sir. Yes. Okay, sir. Yes. I think we have
very nice.
We have already past 1 hour, and yes, we have to do another family job, so we have to stop at this moment. And I'm very grateful to you for your sincere cooperation.
You also.
Yes.
Sir. Thank you for that, sir.
Okay, sir. How is your wife? Our bhabhi.
Very nice, sir.
In Bangla, yes, in Bangla we call them bhabhi, boudi.
Can I call her?
Yes, call her. Call her. नमस्ते भाभी जी, नमस्ते। कैसे हैं आप भाभी जी? कैसे है? अच्छी है ना? वाओ।
आप कैसे हैं?
हैं, हम भी अच्छे हैं। Fine.
Who is sitting, sir, beside you?
She's one of my colleague, and she's my neighbor. I don't inform you that she's one of my colleagues who want to show my activities. So I have come to her home to show him my activities. She is Putul Rani Majumdar. She is Putul Rani Majumdar, and she's Hindu. She's Hindu. She's from your community. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. How are you, kids? How are you, dear Anaya?
Anaya.
Anaya? बाबा आप कैसे है? कैसे है बाबा? अच्छी है ना? अच्छी है ना बाबा? वाह। प्रथमेश, प्रथमेश आप कैसे है? अच्छी है ना बाबा? ओके ओके भाभी, सॉरी भाभी जी, सॉरी भाभी जी.
Can you call your wife, sir?
Okay, no, I'm afraid she's not here. She's not available here.
Uh,
Okay, inshallah, tomorrow I'll call her.
Sir, my humble request you, if you possible, please join your school students or in the next, if you possible.
Yes,
I'm
I'll
not
try.
possible because yes. I'm not possible because my students are living in tribal area. There is no network. There is no mobile.
Yes, I know. Okay, I'll try. But my students are nowadays they are busy with their assignment activities. The government has provided some assignment to do, and they have given some deadline to complete. So they are some a little bit busy. But I'll try. I'll request them to join with my session. Okay.
Yes. If you possible, otherwise no network.
Okay, I'll try.
Yes.
Then I am offering salam to your wife, my bhabi, and I hope your all successes.
Yes.
Okay, thank you for today. Goodbye.
Please, my wife said to your
Yes.
family, please come to India and meet with us in Mehunbare.
Okay, I'll come. Inshallah, I'll come. One day I will visit to Maharashtra. One day I will visit to
Yes.
Maharashtra, and I have a plan to visit. I have a plan to visit Taj Mahal.
Yes.
So, so I'd like to visit your home, and I'd like to taste your Puran Pali. I'd like to
Yes.
taste Puran Pali.
Yes.
Bhabi
Please come.
made Puran Pali very interestingly. I have seen the video.
Yes. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Okay. Okay
So,
then.
goodbye, sir.
Okay, no more today. Tata. Okay, namaste. Tata.
Salam.